Okay, hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about topic measurement. Measurement. So for this lesson today we have to know about what measurement is. So as you can see, measurement is the process to finding out how much or how many of something is. So the measurement is used by comparing the things with one valid measure. For example, to know how long the table is, we use the meter. To know how long the book is, we use the ruler. So there is the comparing process to know about how long or how many the thing is. We want to know how heavy the for example, we want to know how heavy the five orange. We use the scale to know the mass of the orange. So we have tools to compare how heavy the thing is or how much the thing is. So this is the explanation about measurement. Measurement is the process of finding out how much or how many of something. So in mathematics, the measurement have so many kinds, include length, mass or weight, capacity or volume, time, and temperature. Okay, and some of the combination of this measurement will uh, from another measurement. For example, we will have speed, the combination of length and time. Okay, and even this one, volume. Volume is the combination of length. So, what does it mean? So, we will learn about this measure one by one. We start from the common one, that is length. Okay, so here we have the unit of length. Actually, the common unit of length we know is meter. M stands for meter. So, but actually we have a lot of units to measure the length. We can start by using the stairs, and we will have the top one is kilometer, then hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter, and millimeter. Yeah. So we start by using the stairs to determine that the kilometer is the highest one and have the big value. So to convert kilometer to hectometer, we just need to times it by 10 and so on. We times it by 10. We times it by 10. So for example, we have 2 kilometer and we convert it to hectometer. It means 2 kilometer equal to 2 times 1 times 10. Then we have 20 hectometer. How about if we change it kilometer to meter? This 1 times 10. So let's say this is 5 kilometer and they want us to find into the meter units. So 5 kilometer equal to 5 times 1 stairs times 10, 2 stairs times 10 again, and 3 stairs until meter. So we times it by 10 3 times. Times 10, times 10, times 10. Then we got the result must be 5,000 meter. So here is the way to convert the units of length from the top one. Then in the another case, we can change the units from the lowest part. And we use the opposite way. If from the top one and to the below, we times it by 10. So from the below part and goes to up, we divide it by 10. This one divided by 10. This one again divided by 10. This one divided by 10. This one divided by 10. So for another case, just for example, we have 3,000 meter, and we want to change it. We want to change it into kilometer. So we just count it. How many stairs it needs from meter to reach the kilometer? If we count it, one. This is from meter. One, two, three. Three steps. It means we have to times by 10 three times. We have to divide it because since this one is goes up, we have to divide it by 10 three times. So 3,000 meter equal to 3,000 divided by 10 to the power of 3. We can write like this. 10 to the power of 3. So this one must be 3,000 divided by 1,000 or equal to 3 kilometer. Since this one goes up 3 times, it means we divide it by 1,000. If kilometer to meter, we times it by 1,000. Okay, so let's find another example. For example, we have 5,000 millimeter and they want us to change it into decameter. So we count how many stairs that they need to reach the decameter from millimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. So it means 5,000 millimeter equal to 5,000 times 10 to the power of 4, or 5,000 divided by 10,000. Then you will have 0.5 liter. So this is the way to convert the units of length. And the same case you can apply in the unit of mass. The concept of converting the units is just the same. For example, we will have here the unit of mass. The name is almost same as well. Start from kilogram, hectogram, decagram, decagram, gram, decigram, and centigram and milligram. So it's just the same. If you want to change from the top one and you want to change into the below part, you can times it by how many times we go in the down steps. For example, we want to find the result of 3 kilogram to centigram. Then we will have 3 kilogram equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 steps. 3 times 1, 10 to the power of 5. Then we will have 3 times 100,000 equal to 300,000. The point of converting this one is don't forget about the units. So after you find the result, put the units to know that you have converted from kilogram to centigram. Okay, now how about the area? The area is the combination of length. For example, you have a square 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter. So the area must be 4 centimeter square. So this is the combination of the length. The area is just the same with the length, but the value a little bit different. For example, here you have kilometer square, hectometer square, decameter square, meter square, decimeter square, centimeter square, and millimeter square. So for the length, you just times it by 10. Meanwhile, for the area, you times it by 1, 100. Okay. For the length, you times it by 10. But for the area, times it by 100. Since this is used a square. And for the volume, because volume usually you use the units of to the power of 3 or cubic, so you times it by 1000. Actually the concept is just the same. When they go up one stairs, you times it by 1000. When they go up, for example, for the volume, when they go up one stairs, you times it by 1000. When they go up two stairs, you times it by 1 million. And when they go up one stairs, you divide it by 1000. And when you go up two stairs, you divide it by 1 million. So the concept is just the same. The things that you need to know is what is the units you use in the word problem. For example, we will go to one question. Okay, now here we have the question about how to use the measurement or how to combine with another measurement. Here we have a question. A factory can produce 600 toy aeroplanes in 3 hours. Many toys. How many toy aeroplanes can it produce in 10 hours? So this is talk about the measurement of time. They use the unit of time that is hour. So here the question, we need to find the information from the question first. From the first sentence until this, we know that a factory can produce 600 toy aeroplanes in 3 hours. So we change this statement into the model. 600 toys equal to 3 hours. Then the next question, how many toy aeroplanes can it produce in 10 hours? So from here we got the question, and the question we have to change into the model as well. You can say blank 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 toys equal to 10 hour. Or another way to write this one is just like 10 hours equal to toys. So we have to know what is the information we can get from the question and change it directly into the model of math. And we have to understand about what is the question about and change it into the math model as well. So here we have 600 toys. Toys can be produced in 3 hours. It means we have to find out how many toys that can be produced in 1 hour. So let's say 3 hour equal to 600 toys. So for 1 hour, we divide this one into 3. Why? Because we want to make this one become 1 hour. So if we divide this one, because this is equation, if we divide this one into 3, is why this one must be divided into 3 as well. Okay, we have here 3 divided by 3 equal to 1. Don't forget the unit. 1 hour. 600 divided by 3 equal to 200 toys. So we got the new information that in 1 hour they can produce 200 toys. By using this information, we can find that how many toys that can be produced in 10 hours. 10 hours equal to 10 times 200 toys. Since 1 hour can produce, in 1 hour they can produce 200 toys, so 10 hour is 10 times 200, and the final result must be 2, yeah, 2000 toys. Okay, so if they ask about the rate, how many how many toy aeroplanes can be produced in 1 hour, so the unit must be 200 toys per hour. So it means to read this one, these units, because this is combination of toys and hour, it means in 200, in these 200 toys can be produced in 1 hour. So here is the way how to solve the combination of the units. Next, we go to the next question. Okay, Chimeng can type 356 words in 4 minutes. How long will he take to type 712 words? 712 words. Okay, so 356 words in 50. We need to find the information from the word problem first and change it into the math model. So from the first information we got that Chimeng can type 356 words in 4 minutes. So 4 minutes. Okay, we have this one. 4 minutes. 4 minutes equal to 356 words. And for the next statement, how long will he take to type 712 words? This is the question. So the question must be right into the math model. 712 words equal to blank 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 minutes. Okay. To solve this question, we need to find the rate of the how many words can be typed in 1 minute. So here we have the information. 4 minutes equal to 356 words. I write again 4 minutes equal to 356 words. So to find how many words that can be write in 1 minute, we divide this one into 4 and this one into 4 as well. So later we will get that 4 divided by 4, 1 minute equal to 35, 8, 36, 9. So we have here in 1 minute, Chimeng can type 89 words. So if Chimeng can type 217 words, how long will he take? So this one, we can see the rate is 89 words every minute. So if they type 712 words, 712, we divide it by 89, we will have 8. So 8 minutes. So how we got the units? We can use this way actually. Okay, let me open this one first. So to convert this way, we can use the rate we have here is 712 watts divided by 89. We use this rate 89 watts every minute. So because this is the fraction actually, so we will have 712 watts. The way to solve the fraction, we change the position between denominator because this is numerator and this one is denominator. So let's say this is 1 minute times 1 minute 1 minute over 89 watts. So we got this one 89 and 712. We have here 8, and we can eliminate the units as well, watts and watts. We will have 8 minutes. So in so Siemens can solve and Siemens can type 712 words in 8 minutes. So here is the way how to solve this kind of equation. Okay, I think that is all for our lesson today. Thank you.